morning and happy Tuesday. It's actually been a while since I actually filmed anything since we're still in the midst of COVID, and I just had to get the shirt when I was in Walmart because I absolutely loved Animal Crossing, which sadly I never played Animal Crossing Horizons since I didn't have a Nintendo 3DS, but I'm actually getting ready to head out outside to do some gardening work. So here's an update on the garden, and can you guys, if you have a garden of your own, can you let me know what the type of this plant is? Because I have, in the comments down below, because I have no clue. And also we have some peppers growing. Some broccoli's doing excellent. And this little guy, and I don't know about this one. I'm gonna take a look around at the zucchini, and you have a couple going, and some leaves for cucumbers. You have some multi-grain lettuce coming, and starting to have some bud on, I think this is the hot peppers. So a quick pan through on this side of the garden. Oh, oregano's doing wonderful. Parsley's working on it. And some rosemary's doing great. So I just walked out, and we have some fresh zucchini or cucumbers, and this is kind of funky, and my mom's going to post it on social media. Sorry about my messy hair. I just showered, and I got freshened up because I just got not quite finished, but it's almost done weeding at least one of the garden areas. So here's what I've been working on all day. And this is all of the weeds, and there's still some left. So since we got some fresh cucumber, I thought about doing the cucumber trick.
She just licks it. What are you doing?
Well, this was a fail. So it's the next morning, and this is what we had for dinner last night, and it's super late, but this meal was so delicious, and of course my mom made it in a way that I can have it, and I love how she made the alternative meatballs. So to finish the night off, all I did was just looked up Elf the Musical, which I might audition for that, but that's further down the road, and I just had dinner and went to bed. So, alligators.